for cherry. D is date. D is for date. E is elderberry. Elderberry. E is for elderberry. F is fig. Fig. F is for fig. G is grape. Grape. G is for grape. H is honeydew. Honeydew. H is for honeydew. I is kiwi. Kiwi. I is for kiwi. J is jackfruit. Jackfruit. J is for jackfruit. Wheat. K is kumquat. Kumquat. K is for kumquat. L is lemon. Lemon. L is for lemon. M is mango. Mango. M is for mango. N is nectarine. Nectarine. N is for nectarine. O is orange. Orange. O is for orange. P is pineapple. Pineapple. P is for pineapple. Q is quince. Quince. Q is for quince. R is raspberry. Raspberry. R is for raspberry. S is strawberry. Strawberry. S is for strawberry. T is tangerine. Tangerine. T is for tangerine. U is ugly fruit. Ugly fruit. U is for ugly fruit. V is Valencia. Orange. V Valencia. Orange. V is for Valencia. Orange. W is watermelon. W watermelon. W is for watermelon. X is Samania. X is Samania. X is for Simia. Y is yellow passion fruit. Y yellow passion fruit. Y is for yellow passion fruit. Z is zucchini, technically a fruit. Z zucchini. Z is for zucchini.